Another relationship matter. Oh, my people, I need to hear this one. Oh, they say now couples after the man buy the girl brand new phone. Or more. The girl don't they complain. Baby, I don't get phone. Baby, I don't have phone. The man don't finally buy this girl phone. Just for the man to finally realize, I be find out, say, hey, women. The man come find out, say, the lady save another boy number as my love. Even put love emoji. And then his own number, the girl can't write big head. Omo. I say make her bring her corner because I don't too laugh. I bet join me, make we watch the video.
Brother, what you can see the happen again? I just when I dey hear on her voice. It don't do now.
Now go to save boy number. You go to save boy number with my love. You got to save my number. You should brother. You got to save my number with my big head. Now God will punish you. I buy phone for her. He said no girlfriend, I'm my girlfriend. I buy phone for her finish. He still got to save on that boy number with my love. Then me got to save my number with big head. Now God will punish you. Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Which phone? Now you buy the phone. The one you buy, the one you buy don't spoil.
Which one? Phone and that 4 days ago, then don't spoil.
I don't say that number with big head. You don't that way.
You said I'm not in that way. They say who get that? What my number? Me not know my number.
I don't say your number with big head. I only say that with my heart.
Which heart?
I don't say that with big head. That one when I say with my love, my brother.
I don't
go give you the phone.
Give me the phone.
Stop now. Please stop all this thing now.
Give me the phone.
Stop all this thing. Which kind of thing all this one?
Give me my phone. Let me buy it for you.
Now you buy the phone. This one is the phone.
Okay, give me first.
That one you buy the last phone.
Give me.
Why do you give you the phone? I don't say your number with bigger.
Give me the phone.
The phone, man. So give me my phone.
Oh, bros, it don't do now. It don't do now. Oh, may you leave her now. You won't kill her.
Ori mi o. Ori. I need laugh again. My people, last. No, not be the one way we dey talk every time, but this one. Last. Now this one we dey call say life no balance. This one, no. How life one balance for this kind of matter? Almost some women wicked. You dey work for GT Bank. You dey collect salary for Access Bank. My sister, how far? Chai! No. This one hit me. You know that's why I collapse. I get up. I collapse again. But if you not check and wear, I don't know whether not only me, but bros, your head big, sha. No, your head big. No, if you not check and go back, check that video very well. The girl just you understand? Not just sincerity. She was just being sincere because as I hear this matter, I say no, make her examine and wear. Like people, the guy head big now. She's just stating the obvious. At least you even get hope. You get hope. Say she even call you big head. Assuming she call you goat. I bet she save him as no. Waiting for do now. Never say for just make the world end. Chai. Like people, I don't finally come to one conclusion. I don't know whether a conclusion or be suggestion. I don't know how many of you will agree with me. I beg, we need to start a sign agreement. Once your husband or your boyfriend dash you something, I beg, no take him back. We go sign am. Because not be because of what this guy they do. I don't hear matters like this since. You understand? Person go just dash you something. One small thing where you go do, bring it back. So we go sign agreement. Where you no go collect anything back. See this one now, just big head where they call you, my brother. Just Chai! My time will reach me say nah, the trending name be that where ladies go to call their lovers big head. I don't know now. Now go tell me now. Wait till I hear. They say that the new trending one say it means say when girl call you big head, it means say my soulmate. I don't know. I say make happen. Child wahala no dey finish for this life. After person sweat, he work for money, buy you phone. Na big head you sick. My people, no be small wahala. And this one now, another matter wey even dey knock my head. Person wey even dey video, I'm not understand, madam, na video you go video, I mean na gossip you go gossip because I beg my people, make una dey careful who una dey pick o. Because as this thing happen now, I come dey think, una dey sure say that girl no be Ron's girl. Abi the girl no, maybe the girl don already get boyfriend. You understand? No, some ladies they do. They go get one main guy, they go get another one where they use chop money. Maybe this girl already get her own boyfriend, where she just use this one. They passed. I beg guys, make una stop am. Just open up. Open up so that they can see. It better make the guy no say, okay, no be my main person be this, so but I won't spend. Than for me the guy they spend, and at the end you can't find out say, now wow. I mean, my people, last. I tell you this thing before. I don't remove. You see my hand. I wash hand. I don't remove my hand from anything we concern relationship this 2021. So I say I go bring her, wash my hand, drop her for the side. So now I go continue from the place where I stop. So drop the comment for that comment section. And if you no share this video, I wonder how we go even allow other people know say that this thing they happen. I bet share a very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, how you want they laugh the way they laugh now. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story. Arewa youths, my people, they don't give Yoruba indigenes 72 hours to leave northern region of Nigeria. And this one, they come after Sunday Igbohu statement. For now, when they are aware, Sunday Igbohu don't make your own decision. And according to Ran, he say, you know what, Nigeria, say na Yoruba nation. After Sunday make this statement, na so the northern youths come decide, say, okay, since he want the Yoruba nation, make all the Yoruba people where they know say they dey northern part of Nigeria, they get 72 hours to leave. They no want hear any story. My people, this matter they very, very serious. Hey, Sunday Igbohu, no be smart, you know. And now, so they talk to now. See, all of us, we know, say, what do they call them? All these northern people, we know all the atrocities where they don't commit. Fulani people. Not be say they even be people where we go say, okay, they know they look for trouble or something. They love people. They not even be accommodating. We know all the things with this now. People where they don't kill, they don't kidnap, they don't rape women, they don't destroy farmlands. Many things will happen. Even the period where Buhari lock border. No be this same Fulani they send, may they go destroy farmlands for south. Before you know they go come outside, hey, there's no food, no food stuff, no food this one. My people see, I just they hope say this thing, you know go reach level of war where we no go feel settle. Because the way they see I'm alone, everybody don't start they send their opponents, come on for my side, come on for my side. Everybody don't start. I beg Yoruba people, make una listen to me very well. As they don't give una 72 hours, this is very simple. Una go give them 70 hours. Yes, so that, see, this thing, we don't even need stress. They don't want to in their land. Una no want them for their land. So make everybody just come out in peace. Before another thing go come start. And this will not be today we even dey talk am. It don't take. Before this Sunday fight even start, where Sunday they chase Northerners come up for this thing, we don't think, we know nobody even want these Northerners, nobody even want them. So I beg, if you know say you be Yoruba person, to avoid all these plenty things, just come out. Because now people know they tell me say, Madam Aproko, Nigeria is for everybody. You can stay where you want. I beg, if as they don't want us, and already they decide say, may everybody go on their own. So if everybody supposed to go on their own, I be say, may everybody start a park. Anywhere you find yourself now, where you know say, no be your land. I beg, just relocate. Very, very simple. These people, they don't cause us too much problem. If only these Fulani people fit just come off from Nigeria. Hey, all this thing where we they struggle, we not go even struggle. peace of mind go dey, love go, like everything go just dey smooth. But since they are there, my people, we no get any choice than to manage. We need to continue to manage. And now why, see, I still dey talk this thing. If you know say you dey in support, may everybody go on their own. Abeg, see, state am there. We need know who dey with us, because now this matter go soon reach level where we no go fit handle am again. As they no want us, we no want them. Ngwanu, now this one sef even they make me the vex with Buhari. Now this one, in fact, anything wey concern this country, Buhari name dey inside, and it dey vex me. It just dey vex me, because this man, the kind things wey this man don bring upon us, the kind things, no, he no be the first president. We don dey get presidents before, and I know they talk say wahala no dey, but my people, this one, it is Buhari level where he pass quote of, in fact, I don't even know which English I could even use. Everything are from him. Everything are from him. You don't give Fulani people key to this country. Now them the whole key to this country. Now Yoruba or Igbo or every other tribe, now nobody fit talk, because you dey power. My people, I beg. The reason why I bring this matter outside, now for all the Yoruba people where you know say you dey for northern people land. I know say many of una never hear this matter. They give una 72 hours. So I beg, before wahala go start, because see, it better to prevent than for us to later come and say sorry. And we already know how these people they behave. So I beg, just avoid them, come out. So now why I to say the same thing will apply to them. If you be not now, you dey for Yoruba land, start they come out too. May peace just remain. In fact, may everybody just do on your own. Now why I bring this matter? You understand? Because I dey pray, say war no go cast. Because if another war starts now, I don't even know who go come help us. My people, now I say I go bring and call on a side. I want Yoruba. Una don't hear am. So wait till una guys stop concerning this matter, because I know say many of una now una just they think wetin we go do to these people. Wait, I bet still they drop her for that comment section. I go reply on her one by one. And if you never share this video, I bet no be stingy. People need hear this information, this latest one. So I bet help me share this video so that everybody go know wetin they happen now between the Iowa youths. Very, very important. And subscribe so that you go dey notified anytime when something don't happen like this. Very, very important. Just click on that thing, no go kill you. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story.